I know some of you are working 9 to 5 and you're looking at approaching organizations during working hours, because that is when the care manager is there, for example, in care homes I'm referring to. So the best times to call care homes, you're not going to call during breakfast time. That is the worst time to ring, because they're so busy. They're doing breakfast, medication. They will not entertain you. So you need to use the quiet times, i.e., for example, 11 to, it depends what time they have lunch, but 11 till 1 o'clock, for example. And then again, 2 till 4, for example. Okay. When you're doing visits, you go and visit them. You could look at visiting at 10:30, because that's when things start to get a bit quiet. I know it's not always quiet in a care home, but things are starting to quiet down because the breakfast has been served, washed and dressed, medication. You know, everyone's in a more relaxed state. Okay, so look at when you're approaching care homes. And when you approach the care homes, you need to make sure that you are dressed appropriately. No blingy gear, no jeans. Go in a smart, smart trousers, smart shirt, female, smart dress, or a nice skirt with a blouse, so that you're looking professional. I used to wear a suit. Literally, I used to wear a suit. I used to wear a black suit with a white shirt and some black nice shoes, for example. I'd have a briefcase, or I'd have my file document case with my presentation folder, with my presentation information in the presentation folder. And it's how you dress. It's how you dress. It's how you look to grab people's attention. You want them to be able to want to use you and want to see that you are, a professional service, for example.